English dictation 80 words per minute. Start. Of Provident Fund contribution at 12% in all kinds of establishments covered under the Act. I do not know why the government has ignored this specific recommendation of the Standing Committee. It was a well considered recommendation of the Standing Committee. I would cite an example: the jet barons of West Bengal are the biggest defaulters of Provident Fund, and you are exempting that industry from the higher contribution. What is the reason behind it? Is there any reason? No, there is no reason. So I would request you to consider that this anomaly should go. You must accept the amendment given by me. This is a social security measure. So many acts are there, but the problem is with the implementation. Is it being implemented? If it is being implemented, how it possible that hundreds of crore of rupees of the workers are laying in the coffers of the employers? Just now, Sri Basu Devacharya has mentioned the case of Jessop and Company. This is not an isolated case. This is a regular feature that employees are being denied their statutory dues, including Provident Fund, even after their retirement, and the Ministry of Labor has no teeth. I would like to know from Sri P.R. Kumar Amangalam, who is now the Minister in charge of the Ministry of Labor. He happens to be the labor leader. I would like to know whether he has any plan to give some teeth to the Ministry of Labor. It is being marginalized like anything. The Ministry of Labor has no say. Everything is being detected by the Ministry of Finance. Even the statutory dues like payment of wages are being denied to thousands of workers of this country.